Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make webcam size bigger in Umingle. I will be sharing two simple methods, so watch till the end and see which one works best for you. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Then search for custom page zoom and add the extension to your browser. Once it is installed, open Umingle and start a video chat. Then click on the custom page zoom extension and adjust the zoom level to make webcam appear bigger. Set it to whatever size feels right for you and enjoy chatting. This method is especially useful if you create content using Umingle. Now let's move to the second method, which is much easier. Simply press and hold the control key on your keyboard, then press the plus button to zoom in. So keep increasing the zoom until it matches your preference. For me, 200% works really well, but you can adjust it as much you want. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.